Hi and welcome to a video on using Edulink to send emails from your phone. So if we open up the Edulink app, put that down there, and log in. If we go to the button in the top right hand corner, it looks like an envelope. We just click on that, it'll take us into the messaging system. So first of all, I'm going to start a new email, which is top right again. And it didn't work quite the same as a normal email. First of all, we need to select the students that we're going to send an email to. So let's say, for example, we're going to identify students from a trip we're going on. So for example, if we're talking about the Chelsea trip or the Camp 2020, let's use that one, Camp 2020. So there's lots of year sevens. And if we want to send an email to all the parents of all the people going on that camp, then we need to first of all select all of those students. And then we go to next. Now, if you wanted to use a different way of filtering, you could use classes. So your class would appear at the top, followed by all the others. Or we could use all the boys, all the someone from a certain form, etc., etc. Right, so go on to the next step. And now we can decide whether we want to email all the students. I'm going to unclick that. We can do all the teachers, but that's obviously most teachers in the school. Now, the most useful one is probably going to be the parents. So, for example, this is the parents of all the students going. Now, it looks like only one parent's turned up, and this is a bit of a strange feature, but ultimately, to deal with this, we need to click on options, and nearly every time you have to click on options, you don't have to change anything, you just have to press save. So now I've changed to press save. Now I've got all the parents, and you see in the top right hand corner of the list, just above the ticks, it says 238 out of 253, which means there are a few without email addresses there, but that should be fine. So then you go to next step, and you write your email, and you press send. You can attach something there. You can set up your own template in the top right hand corner, and you can also use variables which are here. So for example, if you want to refer to students' names, first names, or the recipient's first name, so on and so forth, you can do that. Just be careful about getting that right. What's a nice feature on here as well is that you can type in your own email address. So if I could put c.glover in there, when I press close, when I send the email, it won't return to a central point, it will return to me. One thing I would say at this point is make sure you sign off with your full name, because when the recipient gets the email, they'll only see from Edulink, and then obviously your name at the bottom. So if you just put Chris, that might not be obvious which Chris that would be from. Okay, so that's basically it.